What up? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dana and thank you so much for clicking on this video today. So today I had a really fun time filming this look. Honestly, I'm so happy with how it came out. So as you know, the first day of spring was on Tuesday and it's springtime and it's still kind of cold where I live because I'm from Canada. So they still like snow, but you know what? I'm rocking my dresses still. I'm pulling out my sandals. I'm ready. And I also bought me some tulips because, you know, why not? I needed something cheery in my room. And so today I filmed this very springy look, in my opinion. I kind of inspired it by flowers and just outside and Easter, so like pastels. So I used yellows and greens and some glitter. And I also show you how to do my face makeup because, you know, I haven't done that in a while and I kind of need to do that a little more because lots of you guys like have questions about what foundation I'm wearing and stuff like that. Speaking of foundation, I did try a new foundation today, so you gotta keep watching to see what I thought about it and how I feel. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe. You know, I post new videos every single Sunday and I have a new like filming setup so I can film so much more and just post more and we can have a party. We could have a good time. So subscribe, like you gotta do it. But honestly, I'm so close to 100 subscribers and it's been a big goal of mine to get there before kind of like the mid-April. So if I could get there, you guys, I would like mean so much to me, okay? Enough of me just talking. Let's just get on to the video. Hi guys, so as you can see, I've already done my eye on camera, looking weird, we know. But for this eye look particularly, you're just gonna need this NYX
Professional Makeup Ultimate Shadow Palette in Bright.
You're gonna need this Morphe 35B. And that's all you're gonna need. Oh, and like some glitter and stuff, but like that's all you need for like your eyeshadow. To begin though, we're gonna start with our Morphe 35B palette and we're just gonna dive into this bright yellow. Since this is a spring look, I feel like yellow is like the optimum of spring and I love the color yellow. So of course, I have to put it in my look today. Oh, and I've already pre-filled in my eyebrows as you can see. And I primed my eyelids already. I just used some concealer. Do that part. And now I'm just taking this yellow and I'm just buffing it into my crease. The next color we are going to be using is in our NYX Ultimate Professional palette. And we're using this kind of like a turquoise color right here. I thoroughly really like it. I'm just gonna dab. I'm just gonna. Oh, and we're gonna take that like a tiny, like a teensy bit lower than the last one. Cause it's gonna create this like greeny look, and honestly, it's everything. And go in with a tinier brush. This is from my Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and it's so cute. So we're just gonna use that. Then we're gonna go back into our Morphe 35B, and we're gonna take, I don't even know how to describe this color. It's like a green, but then it got me some blue in there, so it's kind of like a turquoise, but it's like a dark turquoise, so maybe like, I don't know. But we're gonna put that on our brush, like boop, 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 boop. Here it is, and we're gonna actually kind of focus that lower, because we're gonna be doing kind of a halo eye effect today. That's the goal. We're gonna add, using the other side of this cute little brush, we're gonna go into our NYX Ultimate Brights palette and we're gonna grab this like, it's like a blue, kind of, yeah, it's like just like a nice blue. Tap. And
I was like, oh my god, ooh, that's so scary.
You're gonna focus that mainly on your outside, so in your inner corner and your outer corner. And then I'm just gonna finally, last step, gonna grab the fluffy brush that we used for the yellow, and we're just gonna buff it all in together nicely. Look at her, like This look is honestly so easy. I thoroughly believe you can do it. Like I really, really do. Step. Gonna grab your concealer, angled brush, your hand, put dot on hand. Then you're gonna take your brush, and we're gonna kind of cut out a halo eye. I don't know if I've done this, but it's really easy. Go like this. Draw like a line at the top. See? What? See? I'm just gonna draw straight down from that. And bam, you're done. Well, not really. We're gonna go with our Morphe palette, and there's a white shade in there. I'm putting it on my finger. I'm just gonna just because I just want to set it, you know. But next we're going in with our glitter glue. So this is the Too Faced glitter glue. You really just need like a little dot. So nice, a little dot. Take it on any brush you want, and you're just gonna put it everywhere that we just cut that crease out. Now that that's on, I'm going to press some of this Makeup Forever glitter. It's a gold, and I'm going to just press it onto there. So now I'm just grabbing some Max Fix Plus, and I'm kind of just spraying my skin. So I'm just going to take my fingers and just rub that in nicely. Add some hydrations back into my skin. Grabbing my primer, which is going to be the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer.
NYX Total Control Drop Foundation.
So I am in the color Light. I think I got some. Now I guess I just kind of. Oh no. What do we think? Now we're just gonna, I guess, do our under eyes. So I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me. And overall, I think that this is Dana approved. I feel like the concealer is a dupe for the Shape Tape, because I think the concealer is very full coverage, as you can see. I mean, y'all girl got bags, but they Gucci, but they bags, and they just went away, disappeared. Now before I set my face, I'm actually going to cream contour today, and I'm getting a little risky. I'm using just my Fenty one. I really like this one. So this is in Suede. Okay, wow, we're blended. Look at how pretty it looks. It's just gorgeous. I don't even know. And then finally, I'm actually going to use some setting powder, and I'm just going to take it on a big old brush and just buffer in, you know? Now, for a little bit of extra, we'll take our Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil and an angled brush, just like always. Okay, now since we're going for like that spring look, you know, we are going to be needing some blush. I'm using this Fit Me blush. See, like another Fit Me product. What can I say? I love the products. Just like sponsor me. And I'm just gonna take this brush here. I'm just gonna, and this blush has like gold flakes in it. I don't even know, gold like shimmer in it. I don't know. It looks so pretty. And then with some more powder, I'm just gonna kind of cut that. Just because I said that I don't like dewy skin doesn't mean we're not going to look like a So I'm using my Jeffree Star highlighter in Uranus, and then here's a trick. Here's my trick, guys. Take your brush, spray it with some Fix Plus. That Fix Plus just saves your life, okay? I use my Fix Plus for everything, so just like dip into your highlight, do like a little swirl. Now, ready? Like, look at that. I literally die. Like, it is the most, it is so pretty. We look face-tuned in real life now. Finally, my last step-a-roo. Well, not my last step, but close. I'm going back to our eyes just quickly, and I'm gonna dip back into this teal shade that we originally used, and I'm gonna run that on my lower lash line. Yes, and finally, for our lips, I'm thinking glossy. I'm feeling a gloss, you know? I'm feeling the gloss. So I'm going first in with Kylie Cosmetics Dirty Peach. It's kind of my favorite, like, I feel like it's a very spring color. I don't know why, I just do. Okay, let this dry. And then we're gonna add a gloss on top. I don't know what gloss we're gonna use though. We're gonna use just this, like, it's just like a nude gloss by Kylie Cosmetics, also in the color So Cute, because this color is so cute. Finally, I'm going to spray some setting spray on, and I'm going to be using, look, she's hiding behind my, oh wait, I'm gonna wipe off this bake quickly. Just gonna, you're probably wondering why I don't have mascara on yet, and that is because I've used like a decent amount of like products that are kind of more wet. So my mascara itself, so I use the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara, and I just find that mascara kind of has a tendency to transfer with when it's still not dried yet, so that's why I just like to do it at the very end after I've sprayed my setting spray and everything. So I'm gonna use my Bad Gal Bang, putting on some lashes, and then I'll be right back for our outro. Okay, I am back. I am wearing the House of Lashes in the style Natalia. It's like a very, it kind of looks like a toned down version of the Lily Lashes in the style Miami, which I love. But you know, we don't need to go full out today. We're feeling very just flowy and glowy. And just flawless, you know? We're not here for like that full glam today. We're here for that, like,
I could go to church in this. I could go my grocery shopping in this. I could go to a restaurant in this. That's what we're going for with this.
But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I had so much fun making it. As I said before, honestly, I'm just so happy with the outcome of it, and I was really kind of nervous about making this video because I don't play around with like greens a lot. I don't know, I don't know how I feel about them on my eyes. So the way this turned out, I don't know, I'm just so happy with the way it turned out. I actually really enjoyed making this, and I had so much fun making this. So I hope you guys liked it too, and I hope you guys liked my new intro. I made it, but I made it, and I did it myself, and I'm working hard, so yeah. Please don't forget to check out last week's video. Last week I did a kind of like a challenge. I'm trying to do drag makeup. It's really funny. I suggest you check it out. And I just hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye!